Hello foodies, welcome back to your channel. Today we are delving into the art of crafting the perfect chicken cutlets. A symphony of flavors, textures and aromas. Before we start, don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more culinary delights. Gather your ingredients. Half kg minced chicken or chicken keema, 100 gram breadcrumbs, 2 eggs, 2 medium-sized onions and 3 medium-sized boiled potatoes. For the spice mix, 2 teaspoons chili powder, half teaspoon turmeric, 1 teaspoon each of salt, coriander powder, garam masala, pepper powder and 2 teaspoons of ginger garlic paste. In a heated kadai, add 3 tablespoons of oil. Introduce onions and green chilies. Sauté until they simmer in golden brown. Now add in the ginger garlic paste and sauté for a minute. Time for the spice infusion. Turmeric, chili powder, salt, coriander powder, garam masala and pepper powder. Stir it into a symphony. Now braise the kadai with the minced chicken. Mix well, add the spices and let it dance under a lid. Cook until perfection and the stock evaporates. Add a handful of curry leaves and garam masala. Let them trill in the mix. Set it aside to cool. While it cools, let's mash up those boiled potatoes. Now unite the keema preparation with the mashed potatoes. Elevate the taste with a touch of crushed fennel seeds. Knead this flavorful medley into a culinary masterpiece. Take a lime-sized portion, shape it into a round ball, flatten it with your palm and repeat. Set them aside. Crack eggs into a bowl, whisk them and place breadcrumbs in another plate. Dip each patty in the beaten egg, then roll in breadcrumbs. Repeat this for all your patties. Now let's spin the sizzle. Heat the kadai, pour oil for deep frying. When the oil is hot, place these chicken cutlets in the embrace of kadai, letting them sizzle until they bear a coat of crisp golden brown perfection on a medium flame. Your flavorful chicken cutlets are ready to be served. Enjoy this culinary creation and stay tuned for more delicious recipes. Happy cooking!